Mobile internet services to be suspended for 4 hours on 21st and 28th of August at Assam. APHLC seeking re-election for MSA is trying to manipulate the innocent citizens, says BJP. 8 cadres from a militant outfit named Kuki Tribal Union KTU surrendered on 19 August at Haflong. Good morning and welcome to Karbinong Live English Primetime News with Julie Baby. Now let's look into the news in details. To fill up the vacancies of employees at various departments in Assam, the government had organized a written recruitment examination for nearly 30,000 posts of Grade 3 and Grade 4. Therefore, the mobile internet services will be suspended in 25 districts of Assam for 4 hours on 21st and 28th of August. It was announced by the Chief Minister of Assam on Wednesday. BJP government had promised to deliver 1 lakh government job to the youths of Assam if voted to power before the election. Keeping in view of the promise they had given, government had organized a written recruitment examination for nearly 30,000 posts of Grade 3 and Grade 4. As many as 14 lakhs government job aspirants are expected to appear in this recruitment drive. The dates for the examination are commenced on 21st and 28th of August. The duration of the examination would be of 2 hours for all the categories. The decision to suspend mobile internet services across Assam for 4 hours has been taken to reportedly ensure smooth conduct of recruitment exams. CM Sarma also shared the SOPs and asked the DCs to adhere to this in letter and spirit with adequate security measures throughout the examination period. Newsdesk report for Karbinong Live. The word re-election doesn't even exist at the Indian Constitution. No such word could be found in the India Commission as well as in the State Commission. This ability, in short, supreme power for re-election lies only with the Election Commission of India, says Mongve Rongpi, MEC of KAC. On 19 August, a press conference was called by BJP at Dipu to clarify over the re-election row. During the press conference, BJP accuses APHLC for manipulating and contaminating the minds of the innocent public by coating their minds with the subject of KAC re-election. APHLC wants the 6th schedule to be implemented as per the Constitution of India. Therefore, BJP asks the APHLC to stop doing such activity as India is a democratic country and every citizen, including the APHLC, must abide by the Indian Constitution. When look upon the Indian Constitution, there is no any such word like re-election on it. So, if the APHLC is purely constitutionalist, they must also abide by the Constitution, and manipulating the minds of the innocent civilians by brainwashing with the subject of conduction re-election must be stopped. Calling people for public rallies, sit in demonstration under the scorching is unacceptable by the BJP. BJP cares for its people and they are deeply concerned about them, says Mongve Rongpi, MEC of Karbinong Autonomous Council.
Bangke laki intongan po. Mislead ang ni. Laki gorong pen rat tuphan hat harna to nahi. Ha procession a kilometer to nahi po gaya. Laki kachinek bangke ilitum BJP to bangke project ke. Pamaili to bangke rating hondu.
Daniel Langthasa would also soon merge with the BJP, and we have also witnessed several notable leaders from the APHLC merging with the Saffron Party in the recent days. The general election of the KAC had peacefully and successfully concluded on 20 June. After that, all the elected members of the KAC took the oath in presence of the Governor of Assam and Chief Minister of Assam. The chairman of KAC was also elected democratically. Likewise, 4 MSs were also nominated accordingly. All these procedures and formalities were done as per the Indian Constitution. APHLC demanding for re-election in KAC is baseless, says Phanpiga Rengma, MEC KAC.
তেনেহ'লে মানে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ৰাইজে কনফিউজ হৈ যাব আৰু সেই কনফিউজ হ'লে মানে আমি ইজনে ইজনক আমি বিশ্বাস কৰিব নোৱাৰা হৈ যাম বুলি পেলাই আমি ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ যে ৰি-ইলেকশ্যন কথাটো আমাৰ বিৰোধী দলে যি কৈ আছে আমি এইটো কেতিয়াও মানি ল'ব নোৱাৰোঁ আৰু যোনে শুনিছে তেখেতসকলে এইটো মানি ল'ব নালাগে বুলি মই সকলোকে ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ।
Mohan Tiso, ex-chairman, Town and Country Planning, Roshmi Terangpi, president of Minority ST Morcha, were also present at the press conference. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. On 19 August, 8 cadres from a militant outfit named Kuki Tribal Union (KTU) surrendered at 11 Assam Rifles Base Camp, Sikari Bagan, Haflong, Dimahasau, in presence of top officials of the paramilitary forces. It was reported that the group is basically a reorganized group by those militants who had separated their way from the surrendered militants outfit Kuki Revolutionary Army (KRA). The surrendered militants were identified as Self-Styled Sergeant Major Sego, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Sergeant Major Sam, Arm Wings, Self-Styled Lance Corporal Jack, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Corporal Albert, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Private Robert, Arm Wing, Self-Styled Rajapu James, Civil Wing, Self-Styled Assistant Political Organizer Benjamin, Civil Wing, and Self-Styled Assistant Political Organizer Mung, Civil Wing. 7 among the 8 surrender cadres were residents of Karbi Anglong district, while one of the cadre belongs to Dimahasau district of Assam. As per the report, the group is active and mainly operates in Kuki-dominated areas of Nagaland, Dimahasau, and Karbi Anglong of Assam and Manipur. The group had also collected taxes in Kuki's dominated area of Jiribam and Tamenglong recently.
So, how many of you have surrendered today?
Today we have surrendered 8 of us.
8 of us. All are from which places?
We are from different places. We are from Karbi Anglong and from Dimahasau.
The group is affiliated under NSCN IM and is receiving trainings from them at Hebron Camp in Nagaland. It can be said Kuki Tribal Union is wing of NSCN IM since it is the only Kuki militant organization working closely with the NSCN IM. When our correspondent asked about the cause of their surrender, one of the surrendered cadre said they cannot roam freely and they wanted to go home, but under the organization, it was not possible. We had worked with the NSCN IM as they had assured us profits.
Hence, when we are in arms, we cannot roam freely. The main aim of surrender is that.
The cadres were later forwarded to Haflong police station for further procedure. Suraj Burmans from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.